Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Outdoor Space Pouch Decoration Idea for Year Round Charm. Introducing your pouch is the getaway to your home. The first impression visitor receive us then appear. It's a space where you can unwind, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors without level the comfort of your home. Whether you have a separate red pouch or a charm balcony decoration, it's thoughtful can enhance your cub appear and create a welcome atmosphere from charm set assortment to vibrant plants. Here are pouch decoration idea to transforming your outdoor space into a hub for relaxation and style. Create a welcome interest away. Be owned by set the tone with an invite interest away, a stylish dormant point with pots, plant or flower. Entertain add charm to your pouch. Choose a dormant that refers your personally or complement. You have a entertain color scheme. Consider legs the dormant with a smallest range for add textile and vibrant interior. Comfortable set arrangement. Innovate in comfortable set other for agro relaxation and convey elevate chair, room chair or a charm ring are excellent choice for create a cozy atmosphere, enhance comfort with weather, charm and throw pillow in vibrant color or playful pot that complement your outdoor aesthetic. Incorporating greenery, ambience, the natural beauty of your outdoor space by incorporating gardening into your pouch decoration. Arrange pillow plants in or a vertical gardening to add color and textile. Choose a mix of foot again and flower pot to create vertical interior and a pair of blind like neon to create a choosy red note. Mix the functionality of your pouch by create a choosy red note or outdoor long pot, hen or helmet or anterior pouch stick for the illuminate relaxation support layout with both outdoor rung and oversized pot pillow to create a cozy note for unwind with a cool note or enjoyment and layout. Every note, it different functional zone. The layout of your pouch by define functional note for define active create a define area with bring table and chair for a choosy set area for long and surfing and a design space by gardening or a outdoor hub furniture advertise and area rank differing length and room while being interests are choosy random design aesthetic add functional lead touch inflow for pouch with functional lead touch that represent your personal unique style and interior display family photo vibrant project that add chaptering a warmth to the space, incorporating meaningful advertising and decoration image that truffle the plot your pouch feel like an advertising of your indoor living space.